Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, but I think it's going to be really fun. Today's the day. This is basically a try video. I am going to try to teach my dog, Blueberry Muffin, how to skateboard. Bulldogs in general are really muscly. They've got big muscles and they've got a low center of gravity, and I've noticed that a lot of them love anything to do with balance, so I thought this would be a really fun activity to try. Anything that involved balancing, my old dog Cookie loved, and Cookie loved to skateboard. It took Cookie months to learn how to do it. It is a long process and every dog's different, but we are going to introduce this activity to Blueberry today, and who knows, she may pick it up in a day, a week, or 2 months like her old big sister. A fun Blueberry Muffin update is that she has learned how to sit and to shake. She does a high five. She's really sweet. I don't know how to say this, but she's very sweet, but she's a little bit more, she learns things slower, but she loves it. She loves working on training. Blueberry, step one of teaching you how to skateboard is we're gonna need a skateboard. And so I ordered you, a new skateboard, but we have to build it. Yeah, it did not come assembled, which I did not realize when I was getting this for you. No, you can't eat the grip tape. This is not for eating. What do you think of the design? Huh, pretty cool. It's like ombre, all the colors, and we've got little palm trees for California. If you fall in love with skateboarding, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna love you more, but I'm gonna love you more. And if you guys like seeing videos with Blueberry Muffin and kind of like updates and activities that we do together, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Okay, let's do this. I don't know if I've ever built a skateboard before. My other ones already came built, so we'll see how this goes. And we have no grip tape, so we're gonna have to first stick on our grip tape. Look at that. Yeah, so you can have some traction. Luckily, grip tape is really inexpensive. This was like $4, and I watched a couple videos of how to do this. I've never done this. I've taken care of a few boards before. I grew up skiing and snowboarding since I was about 5 in the Northwest, so I used to like take care of my snowboards and skis a lot, but that was just a lot of like, you put wax on your board. All right, I'm gonna start on one end. All right, and then press it down and try not to get any air bubbles. The middle of the board is kind of like indented, so I'm gonna try to press this down slowly. All right, Mike, this is looking pretty good.
So far, not bad for your first time.
All right, this was definitely not perfect, but
as long as it's hanging over the edges.
It's hanging over the edges. I didn't put it on evenly. There's a lot of excess on this side and then like none on this side. But I don't see any air bubbles, so I am happy with that. Now I'm gonna take this jobber, a little tool, and just, woo, it's gonna be loud. I'm just gonna run it around the board. This brings me back to like middle school and high school. All I need now are like Spitfire stickers to like stick everywhere.
You should've got some.
And then that is middle school Ro.
Little skater girl, huh?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. I had a thing for skaters in middle school. That was, Mike, don't be jealous, but my first boyfriend was a skateboarder.
Wow.
He was really cute too.
He wasn't that cute.
There we go. Look at that, Mike.
Woo! Definitely a little off center, but I think we can make it work.
Very off center. Now I'm just gonna cut out the shape.
I feel like we're like a skateboarding DIY channel right now.
From baking to boarding, we do it all. Don't worry, Blueberry, we'll get there. I'm using a small X-Acto knife. I'm going slow and steady. I do it by cutting away from me and cutting little strips, and then I can fold the piece in, and I hold it and just cut on the line. And then you just cut it off. Boom, like that. I'm just gonna keep working my way all the way around. So close, so close. That'll stand out.
We'll just buff it off of there.
We'll buff it off. It'll be fine. Boom! Grip tape is on there. It is not on there perfect, but that's okay because this is a board for Blueberry. I'm gonna take a little bit of the excess grip tape right here as like a sander, and I'm gonna sand all the way around the outsides just to make it a little bit more seamless and smooth. Watch out, sound. This is gonna be a little loud. Sorry. The board is ready now. I'm gonna stick on the wheels. I got white trucks and really big pink wheels. I thought these were so cute. These are called cruiser wheels. The big cruiser wheels are just gonna make it a little bit easier for Blueberry. It's gonna make things a little smoother ride. Bumps won't be so bumpy. Also, when I'm using the board, it will give me a little bit more forgiveness as well. So you want these little things to face inward like that. So you're gonna line them up, and there's 4 holes. I took a nail and I just poked holes on the underneath through the grip tape, just like that. And then you're gonna put a little bolt and line them up, boop, on this side. Again, you want this little metal thing to be on the inner side, so they're both facing inside. Then I've got this little guy. This little jobber is called a nut, and you're gonna screw it to the bolt right on top, tighten it up. So 4 on this side, 4 on this side. I'm gonna finish putting this together and then let the skateboarding lessons begin. Okay, board is ready. Now let's go take this outside. Oh yeah, look at us. We got our board right here. And we got treats. These are essential for dog training.
It's like your dog treat fanny pack.
I'm like a legit dog trainer. All right, Blueberry, first is first. We're gonna sit on the board. Let's go in the grass somewhere. Here it is, like this. Now, Blueberry, you're gonna sit on it like this. Look how fun it is. Whee, this is so fun. This is how we do it.
And everybody who does that gets a treat.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna pick you up. I'm gonna put you on here. Good girl, good girl. Oh, you can sit. Can you sit? Good girl. Good job sitting on the board. You get a treat. Good girl, good girl. All right, I'm gonna move it around a little bit. Good girl, good girl. All right, now we're gonna do another trick on the board. High five. High five. Good girl, good balance. There you go. Mike, she's doing so good.
Oh, she loves it.
She's really comfy up here.
She's ready to do ollies and grinds and all sorts of tricks.
Mike, no. Okay, we're gonna check her balance. I'm gonna pick up the front of the board. Stay, stay, stay. Okay, come back. Up, up. Good girl. Oh, you're staying on the board. So good. Good girl. All right, now I'm gonna do this. And we're gonna stay on the board. Stay, 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 stay. Good girl. There you go. She's ready for a bumpy ride. I've noticed that dogs that are food motivated, it's easier to train them than it is if they're not, because she's very food motivated. So maybe she's gonna learn faster than Cookie. Now we're gonna practice stay. Okay? Stay, 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 stay. Good girl. Mike, I think she's ready. Okay, we're gonna do a little slow movement. Stay, 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 stay. One more. Blueberry. Stay, stay, stay. There you go. Good girl. She's doing so good. She's like, I get treats on the board, so I like the board. Okay, are you ready to take this to the pavement? I can't get her off of the board now. Stay, stay, stay. Good girl. Stay. We're gonna go over on a different surface. Stay. Good girl. Stay. Good, stay. Okay, good girl.
She's just gonna expect us to take her everywhere like this now.
Let me see if she'll stay, 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 stay. Oh, you're going into the tree. We'll have to work on steering. I'm gonna have to loosen the truck so she can steer better.
That's the advanced class, I feel.
Yeah, that's the advanced class. That's like in a couple weeks. But for people, you don't want them that loose. But for dogs, you can loosen the trucks, like get them really loose, so when they lean, they can actually steer better. That's what Cookie did. But they're really loose. I wouldn't suggest keeping them that loose for people, but for dogs when they get there. But in the beginning stages, they don't need to be loose. they don't need to be loose.
She's like, hey, why aren't we rolling?
They just need to be comfortable sitting on there and staying, so they know they're safe. Okay, good girl, good girl. Look at you. Stay, stay, stay. Good girl, good girl. Stay, stay, stay. Oh, that gets a treat. Stay, stay, stay. Oh, you've been going backwards. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Good girl. Good girl. You did so good skateboarding. Okay, this might be harder because she can't see me. Good girl. You're doing great. You're doing great. Mike, you tell her how good she is?
Good job, Blueberry.
Good
Look
job,
at you.
Look at you. Ready? Okay, stay. 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 Woo! Good girl.
Good job, you did it. Oh no, what happened?
We were doing so good. We were skateboarding, and then she jumped off of it, and it shot this way, and then it went all the way to the bottom of the pool.
It's rolling away.
Oh no! Oh no! I gotta get it out. Okay, I can get it out. I can get it out. Oh jeez.
Don't fall in there.
I got it. I got it. Okay. Oh, we're coming up. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, we've been working on this. So we take her off the board, and every time she steps on the board, we give her a treat. So she knows that it's good, that this is something she can play with. It's a good thing. She's not like playing with dad's toys. This is hers. So we're teaching her it's good. All right.
Blueberry.
So, ready?
Blueberry, come here. Up, up. Good girl. You did it. She picked up so fast.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good job. Okay, Blue. Now we gotta do that, but we gotta do it again. You gotta go back to 1.
Okay, back to 1.
Back to 1.
All
There
right.
you are. And then Blueberry.
Ready?
Here we go. Up, up.
Sit.
Blueberry.
Up, up.
Up, up. Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Oh my gosh, she is living for this board right now.
Now, this took about 15 times for her to make the connection to up, and I get on the board and I get a treat and it's a good thing. This took a little bit, but Mike, this is way faster than Cookie.
Oh, definitely.
I don't want to compare dogs because every dog's different, but this took Cookie a month.
Yeah.
And it took her 20 minutes.
And she's already looking for more treats.
Let's see if she'll do it again.
Okay, let's see if we can do 3 for
here.
3, Blueberry.
Here's- Oh my gosh.
The treat's not even out yet.
I didn't even say good girl. Good
You did. You're so
girl.
smart. Blueberry,
You're
you are so smart.
Now that she's comfortable with the board, sitting on the board, standing on the board, and getting onto the board, I am going to pull her around on the board because she still is a puppy and she doesn't know how to move it around herself. So getting comfortable with that is going to take probably some time. It's probably going to take some months, but I didn't have any rope, so I had some yarn. So I'm just going to use this, and I'm just going to loop it through here, through the truck, and we'll just get her comfortable with hanging out on the board and getting pulled around. Kind of reminds me when I was a little kid and my dad would like pull me around in a wheelbarrow. Did your dad ever do that?
Oh yeah,
Like
so
pull
fast.
you around in a wheelbarrow?
Definitely.
It's kind of like that. So it's just getting used to the board. Good girl. Okay, you guys stay on the board. I'm gonna just pull you back and forth now. Okay, so you guys stay on the board. Stay, stay, stay. Good girl. Ready? Stay, stay, stay. Oh, good girl. You did really good. Look at you cruising. Good girl, guys. Stay, stay. Look at her, Mike. She's like figuring out how to balance. She's flexing those shoulder muscles. I can see them. Look at that. Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Stay, stay, stay. Sorry about the string in your face. Ooh, go a little faster. Good girl. That was a great job. Blueberry, I'm going to show you how Mom does it. Ready? We go like this. Whee! See, you steer like that. Blueberry, can you catch me? Come on, Blueberry. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We're doing skateboarding class. Okay, so you put your little paws on here, and then with your other paws, you push on this side, okay? So go like this. See? Whee! Good girl, yeah. I don't know if this technique works, but I feel like she'll be more comfortable because like I'm sitting with her, so she knows that it's fun and it's okay. Yeah, good girl. You ready to cruise? Are you ready to go on the skateboard ride? Okay, here we go. Whew. Whew, whew. Blueberry, now we're gonna put our paws on the board, and the goal is to keep her paws on the board and get her to walk with the board. Okay, and if you walk with the board, you get a treat. Okay, good girl, you ready? Okay, walk, 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 stay on the board. Walk, 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 walk.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Good job,
Good
Blueberry.
girl. You did it.
That was
You
so
did
easy.
It. You did it.
That was so easy.
How did you do that so easy?
I don't know. She learns this stuff really fast.
That is not normal.
Oh, she's ready.
Good girl.
She already got on the board.
Okay, now you gotta walk. Walk, 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 walk. No, oh, she stepped off. She
So
was like,
close.
it's faster
So
if I just
close.
walk this way.
Okay, here.
Okay, no, you gotta stay on the board.
On the board.
On the board, on the board. Okay, stay on the board. Stay on the board. Stay on the board. Walk, 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 walk. You did it!
Good job.
Girl. See? Pretty fun, huh? Okay, good girl. We're just gonna do this a bunch of times, okay? Ready? Walk, 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 walk. Good girl.
Good job,
Good girl,
Blueberry.
good girl, good girl. Up, 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 up. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, got the treats. Now we're gonna walk, walk. Okay, we'll try it again. Up, up. Good girl. Now we're gonna walk, walk. Okay, we'll try it again. Ready? Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Okay, I think she's got it. Keep walking. Keep walking. Okay, well, we did okay. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Walk, walk. Good girl. You did it. You walked all this
Mary.
way. Look at you. Now she just thinks the board is magical, and whenever she sits on it, she gets treats, and I will say that she's not wrong. Here you go, Boobery. Good girl. Look at her. She just turned around on the board. All right, ready? Turn this way. Ready? Turn this way. Turn this way. Can you do it? Okay, you can only turn left. It's a Zoolander situation. But I can't turn left. Or he couldn't turn right. I don't remember. Okay, anyways, this is the end of the video. This was the first day of trying to train my dog how to skateboard, and I was really surprised because it went really, really well. She's really active and she loves learning, so I think this is gonna be a really fun activity to stimulate her, and I think she's gonna be a great skateboarder. Here you go, good girl. Look at her, now she's up and all the time. Look at you, little skater girl. She's like, I'm upping, Mom. I'm not getting a treat here. Excuse me. All right, here, come this way. Okay. Here you go. All right, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun making this video with her today. If you like these silly kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, please give this video a thumbs up for Blueberry because she did awesome today, and she would love to know how it would really make her feel good. She can't read your comments, but I will let her know what you guys say. Huh, Blueberry? She did so good this first day. I think I'm gonna keep training her on the skateboard because she just took to it so fast. I think this may be a new activity for us to do. She was like, if you got treats, I'm in. Huh, good girl. See, Blueberry, maybe you can get these. Let's go all the way up. Yeah!
Pretty cool ollie.
Great, I'm really great at this. Done.